On March 11, 2011, the ocean crossed Japan's seawalls, rewriting the future of its coastline. In just a few hours, defenses that had protected communities for decades were overwhelmed by a massive tsunami. Japan's response was not to rebuild what failed, but to engineer an entirely new, stronger coastline. Engineers investigated every collapsed seawall, turning each failure into a crucial lesson for the new design.
They discovered that many walls had not failed because of the concrete, but because the ground beneath them washed away.
The problem was no longer building higher, it was building stronger from the ground up.
This realization changed the future of Japan's coastline, focusing on deeper foundations and stabilized ground.
Before new seawalls could rise, the ground had to be rebuilt first, ensuring stability against future disasters.
Machines transformed soft marine clay into solid foundation columns, providing the necessary support for the massive structures. Every section required a different solution, as engineers analyzed every layer of soil for maximum safety. Only after the foundations passed strict engineering tests could construction continue, ensuring the wall's integrity. Heavy construction finally began, with excavators and concrete pumps working together to build the new foundations. Even then, tides and storms constantly interrupted the work, testing the resilience of the temporary defenses. Crews raced against the sea to complete each concrete pour before the water returned to the site.
Section by section, the new seawalls began taking shape, marking a new era of coastal defense for Japan.
Japan was no longer repairing the past, it was building for the next tsunami. Hundreds of automated floodgates became part of the new coastal defense system, designed to close automatically. Heavy construction finally began, with excavators and concrete pumps working together to build the new foundations. When a strong earthquake is detected, the gates can begin closing automatically within minutes. The coastline had become more than a wall. It had become an intelligent engineering system. After thousands of inspections, the new coastal defense network was approved for operation. In March 2022, a magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck off the coast of Fukushima. Control systems immediately transmitted the warning across the coastal defense network. Automated floodgates began closing, while engineers monitored every movement in real time. The entire system performed exactly as it had been designed. Years of engineering had passed their first real test. Hidden beneath the concrete are deep foundations, stabilized ground, drainage systems, sensors, and automated floodgates. The project was never designed to stop every tsunami. Its purpose is to reduce destruction. Japan did not simply rebuild its coastline, it re-engineered it for the future. The strongest defense is not a wall against nature, but a better understanding of how to build alongside it.